Hello everyone, welcome once again to the core Python course for absolute beginners. In this part, we are learning about remove prefix and remove suffix methods for strings. We are running it on Python 3.10.5. So suppose we have a string like this, greeting is equal to hello world, and if we write greeting dot and then we write remove prefix. So remove prefix, and when we apply this method, so here you can see, here you have to use the prefix that you want to remove. So for example, we have to remove hello from here and it will give you world. In the same way you can use remove suffix. So this will give you error because it will take at least one argument. So what you have to do is, when you are doing this, you have to provide the suffix that you want to remove. So you will write world and that it will give you hello. So this is a very basic function, but it will help you in removing prefix and suffix from your strings. It is useful for removing substring from start of a string or end of a string. So just go ahead and try this.